double gun. Double, gun.
Hello Auto Express viewers, today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 6x6 luxury van. This is not your typical full-size van. It's a bold, ultra-luxurious, six-wheel drive machine that blends executive comfort, off-road dominance, and massive road presence into one incredible package. If you thought luxury SUVs were impressive, wait until you see what this 6x6 beast brings to the table. The 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 6x6 luxury van is based on the legendary GMC Savana platform, but it has been dramatically transformed. The most obvious upgrade is the 6x6 drivetrain configuration. With 3 axles and 6 driven wheels, this van instantly stands out. It's longer, wider, and far more aggressive than the standard Savana, giving it an imposing stance that dominates the road. At the front, you get a massive chrome grille paired with redesigned LED matrix headlights. The lighting system not only enhances visibility at night but also adds a modern, high-end look to the vehicle. The sculpted hood and reinforced front bumper give it a rugged, almost military-inspired presence. This is a van that looks ready for both a red carpet event and a remote mountain expedition. From the side profile, the extended rear axle is the highlight. The additional wheels don't just look dramatic, they significantly improve traction, stability, and load carrying capability. Large off-road tires wrap around custom alloy wheels designed specifically for the Ultra 6x6 edition. Heavy-duty suspension components and reinforced underbody protection make it capable of handling rough terrain with confidence. Roof rails and an integrated LED light bar enhance its adventure-ready character. Moving to the rear, vertical LED taillights create a bold signature look. The wide tailgate opens to reveal an enormous cargo area. Subtle Ultra 6x6 badging emphasizes exclusivity, while a dual exhaust setup hints at the powerful engine under the hood. Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 6x6 luxury van truly separates itself from ordinary vans. The cabin feels more like a private jet lounge than a commercial vehicle. Premium Napa leather seats, real wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale environment throughout. The second and third rows feature individual executive captain's chairs with full power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and massage functions. These seats recline deeply, offering first-class airline levels of comfort. Whether you're a CEO traveling between meetings or a celebrity heading to an event, this van ensures maximum relaxation and privacy. A large panoramic digital display dominates the dashboard, integrating navigation, vehicle controls, and entertainment features seamlessly. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium surround sound audio system. Rear passengers enjoy a large entertainment screen, fold-out tables, and optional built-in refrigerator compartments. With onboard Wi-Fi connectivity, this van doubles as a mobile office. Cargo flexibility is another major advantage. The seats can be folded or reconfigured to create massive storage space. Some configurations even allow for a mini lounge setup or camper-style layout, making it ideal for luxury road trips. It's not just a van, it's a rolling executive suite. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 6x6 luxury van is powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine. Expected output is over 400 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration despite the vehicle's size. The engine pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive shifts. The advanced 6x6 drivetrain system distributes power intelligently across all 6 wheels. This dramatically improves traction on snow, sand, mud, or rocky terrain. Multiple drive modes allow the driver to adapt to different road conditions. Despite its large dimensions, the steering system is tuned to provide surprising maneuverability. The heavy-duty suspension setup ensures stability even when the van is fully loaded. Optional air suspension allows adjustable ride height, improving both highway comfort and off-road capability. Large performance brakes provide confident stopping power, which is essential for a vehicle of this scale. Safety is also a priority. The van includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Parking such a large vehicle becomes much easier thanks to advanced sensors and surround view technology. Fuel efficiency is not the primary focus here, given the powerful V8 engine and 6-wheel drivetrain. However, buyers in this segment are prioritizing performance, exclusivity, and capability over economy. This vehicle is about presence and luxury, not minimal fuel consumption. Now let's talk about pricing. The starting price for the 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 6x6 luxury van is expected to begin around $150,000. With custom interior upgrades, technology packages, and bespoke configurations, the price can easily exceed $200,000. Since this is likely a specialty conversion vehicle, pricing will vary depending on personalization options. In terms of competition, there are very few true 6x6 luxury vans on the market. Some high-end custom builders offer similar concepts, but the Savana ULTRA 6x6 stands out due to its combination of American 5.8 power, executive-level comfort, and extreme off-road capability. Overall, the 2026 GMC Savana